What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different that I've never done before. I bought this lip for my car probably like 5 months ago, and it's just been sitting here in the garage in the box. So today I decided it was a good day to paint it. I've never done body work before. I've never really painted any body parts before at all. So I'm going the cheaper route. I bought some paint off of Grimmspeed's website. Same color as the car, platinum silver metallic. Bought some clear, and I bought some primer. So I'm going to scuff up the lip, lay a coat of primer down, and then let that dry, and then I'll hopefully paint it today. Alright y'all, so the stuff I'm using today is this red scuff pad to go ahead and scuff up the lip. This is the paint that I bought off of Grimmspeed's website, platinum silver metallic, clear, and primer. So I'm going to scuff it, primer it, paint it, then probably tomorrow lay some clear. Alright y'all, so here's the lip. I'm going to go ahead and start scuffing it up, getting ready for a primer. Like I said, I'm going to use this red scrubby pad, scuff pad to scuff it with. Alright y'all, there you have it. I have the lip all scuffed up. I'm going to take some degreaser and just wipe it all down with degreaser. That gets all the dust and oils off it. That way the primer can stick. So here it is right here. All scuffed up, ready to go. Alright y'all, I got it all cleaned up. It is ready for the primer now. I did start off using a paper towel to wipe it down with, and I noticed it started leaving some lint behind, so I used a lint free rag that I have here, and it took everything off, worked out a lot better. So it's all cleaned up, ready for the primer now. So I'm gonna get to painting. Well, there you have it. Got the coat of primer on. It came out pretty dang good with that spray can. A lot better than I thought it would. I don't really see any runs right now. I'm gonna let it dry, give it a little sand, and then we'll put the first layer of the base coat on. Alrighty y'all, so the front lip is now dry. I'm going to take some sandpaper, some fine sandpaper, and wet sand it. And just get, there was one run down, I don't know if you can see it, but there is one run there. But the rest of it, it's pretty smooth. I'm going to get some sandpaper and just scuff it a little bit with wet sand. And dry it off. Once that dries, I'm going to spray the platinum silver metallic on. Alright y'all, so it is now ready to be painted. I have dried it all off. I got my paint right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. I'm pretty excited about it. I probably won't get it on the car till tomorrow because I'm gonna let it dry overnight and then do a coat of clear, or 2 coats maybe of clear. Let that dry, so it'll probably be like tomorrow afternoon before I put it on the car. So I might have fucked up a little. I'm not sure if you could tell right in here, but there's a little run there. I'm going to figure out how to fix. But overall, as of right now, it's still wet. This is the first coat. I don't think it came out half bad. Probably gonna have to do some wet sanding, but it'll be alright. Good morning, people of YouTube. It is the next day. Last night I went ahead and did a second coat of paint on this bumper. Oh, I'm sorry, the lip. And it came out pretty good. I had one little run I went ahead and fixed. Today I'm going to go ahead and lay some clear and get it on the car this afternoon. Okay, y'all, so the lip has been drying for like 4 hours. It's not tacky anymore. It feels dry enough to put on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the WRX now. It's pretty simple. We have these mounts here that bolt to the bumper to that, and there's a couple that go on the back side and the fender well. So let's get to it. Sheesh, y'all. That thing looks freaking sick. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I don't think the paint match is 100% perfect, but it's pretty dang close. As I said before, this car was painted like 5 years ago when I first got it. So the paint from the paint shop might have been a little bit different shade of platinum silver metallic. Or the can's probably different, one of the two, but I think it's pretty close. I think it's just what the car needed. Before, the front bumper at the front of it came up a little bit, so it didn't really flow too well with the side skirts and the spats. But with this lip, I think it looks perfect. Alright, y'all, as I said before, this is my first time painting anything for a car. I don't think it came out half bad. There was a couple runs earlier in the process that I had to go ahead and fix. But overall, I think it's pretty good. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think I could have done differently to improve, or any tips for next time I go to paint anything besides buying an actual paint gun. This was kind of a budget job that I was doing. But that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more car related stuff with this. Obviously, I have a whole other engine that I'm going to build at some point, and a few other things. So that's it for today. Later, y'all.